Here we have exercise 2a, fill in the blanks. The sum of 8000 and 1000 is equal to dash. 8000 and 1000 is 9000. 8000 plus 1000 is equal to 9000. Sum means addition. Now we have 4520 plus 3500. When we will add these numbers, we have 8020. Look at this. First we will add 1's value. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we write 0 here and 1 will be carry. Now 3 plus 4 is 7 and plus 1 is 8. So 8020. 300 plus 1300 is equal to 1600. 1300 plus 300 is equal to 1600. 1060 plus 1000, it is 2060. If 25 is added to 1975, the sum will be dash. When we will add 1975 is in 25, it is 2000. Answer is 2000. Next question, state whether the following are true or false. To add two numbers, we add ones first. Yes, it is true. When we will add any two numbers, we will add from the right side, from the one side. We start from the one side. It is true. 4250 is the sum of 3125 and 1025. It is false. When we will add in these two numbers, the answer will not be 4250. It is false. When we add the numbers, we start adding from the left. False. When we add the numbers, we start always from the right side, not from the left side, from the right side. We always start from the one side, from the right side. 100 more than 6504 is 6604. Yes, it is true. Look at the 100 value, place value of 100. It is 5 and it is 6. When we add 100 in it, it becomes 6604. Yes, it is true. Numbers written horizontally cannot be added. It is false. Look at this. It is horizontal form. When we add these numbers, we get the answer. So numbers written horizontally cannot be added. It is false. Numbers written horizontally will be added. Next question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. Look at this. It is 100. It is 100. Next is, so it is tens and it is 1 2 3 4. So in 100 we have 200. Next is in tens we have 1 and 1's value we have 4. So it becomes 214. 214. So the correct option is C. 200, 1 tens and 4 ones. 214. What is added to 1700 to make it 2000? What we will add in 1700 that it becomes 2000. So we will add 300 in 1700. It becomes 2000. So the correct option is B. 145 can be represented as, look at this. It is 100 once 100 and it is 4 tens. 1 2 3 4. 4 tens 40 and how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones. So it becomes 145. So the correct option is C. 3910 and 2100 add up to. When we will add these numbers, look at this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10 and 1 will be carry. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 will be 6. So it becomes 6010. Next we have 1005 plus 3005 is equal to, it is 4010. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 0 plus 0 is 0 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is 4010. Next we have question number 4. Add the following. Look at A part. 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 3 is again 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Next we have 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 4 is again 9 and 6 as it is. Same like this we will solve the remaining parts. Now look at question number 5. Add the following. It is 6 plus 6. It is 12. So we write 2 here and 1 will be carry over here. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. Next we have B part. 8 plus 5, it is 13. So we write 3 here and 1 will be carry over here. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, it is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. Next we have 9 plus 5 is 14. So we write here 4 and 1 will be carry over here. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, it is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next we have 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 2s are 16. So we write here 6 and 1 will be carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next we have 3 plus 9, 12. So we write 2 here and 1 will be carry over here. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 8 plus 1 is again 9. So same like this you will do remaining parts by yourself. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.